Hello everyone. Welcome you all to Psychology Made Easy, second episode. Today I'm talking about anxiety. Anxiety is also called as worry or fear. It is a psychological disorder. That means it is based on thoughts, feelings and experience. जब एनजाइटी होती है इट क्रिएट्स लॉट ऑफ मोटर टेंशन, यानी हमारी जो मोटर मसल्स हैं उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा टेंशन क्रिएट होती है. वी एक्सपीरियंस हाइपर एक्टिविटी, बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिविटी का जो है हमारे यहाँ हम बहुत हाइपर फील करते हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़. एप्रीहेंसिव एक्सपेक्टेशंस होती हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल यू कैन से कि ऐसा हो पाएगा या नहीं हो पाएगा. थॉट्स बहुत वेग होते हैं, कंफ्यूज होते हैं, एंड all of this makes life very tough. It interferes with our daily routine and daily life. Anxiety usually 5 types की होती है. First is GAD. GAD means General Anxiety Disorder. Next is phobia. Next is post traumatic stress disorder, panic, and OCD. OCD is also another very common term. ऑब्सेसिव कंपल्सिव डिसऑर्डर, जिसकी हम बात करते हैं. यूजुअली समबडी इज़ वेरी स्ट्रक्चर्ड, ऑर्गेनाइज, रिपीटेटिवली कोई रिचुअल प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं तो हम उसे कहते हैं आपको OCD हो गया है. बट इट हैज़ इट्स डायग्नोसिस विच वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो. Anxiety is usually treatable by medical professional. We can see some of the features or the symptoms inside us and we can diagnose them by our own self. It doesn't need any medical or lab test. What are the cause of anxiety? So when I was going through your syllabus, the main point that has come up was like big events. Just say right now these days big event could be corona, but apart from that any abuse, traumatic experience, calamities can be big events, or build-up of small stressful life situations can lead to anxiety. Personality, some personality are more susceptible to anxiety than the other ones. So anyone who's very vulnerable or have those trait of vulnerability is more prone to anxiety. Other is mental or psychological disorder. If you're already having some problem which is mental or psychological, probably, or even physical also, sometimes it comes along with anxiety. It can be genetic, caused by environment, again by calamities, stressful situation around you, or by brain chemistry, yani there are hormones being secreted in your brains, right? Treatment we will talk about later. First of all, we'll consider symptoms. If you are feeling anxiety, there can be anxiety attacks. So कैसे होता है? You feel dizziness or you are feeling faint, shortness of breath, dry mouth, sweating, lot of apprehension or worry का extreme है apprehension. Restlessness, बहुत ही ज़्यादा restless हो रही, you can not sit, you cannot lie down, you just feel like collapsing. डिस्ट्रेस, बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्ट्रेस होता है, द बैड स्ट्रेस. फियर, नर्वनेस और टिंगलिंग फीलिंग सेंसेशंस हमारी बॉडी में होती है. सो ऑल ऑफ दिस आर ऑन अ फिजियोलॉजिकल लेवल. सो वी स्टार्ट फीलिंग मोर एप्रीहेंसिव, और ये हमारी एनजाइटी अटैक्स को बहुत ज़्यादा सीवियर करने लगता है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल दीज डेज वी माइट फील बीइंग इन अ होम and not being surrounded by our friends and social networking, we might feel that we are captivated, ये situation कभी ख़त्म होगी या नहीं. Some of you might feel faint, dizzy or fainting. Shortness of breath feel हो सकता है because of the suffocating environment. Or if you still are bombarded with so much of news around you, you can feel all of the symptoms or some of them. Individual to individual, personality to personality, it differs. Now treatment is definitely, we want to treat, then we need to take good sleep. But कई बार excessively हो जाने की वजह से ये symptoms, we are not able to sleep as well. So we can resort to meditation, staying active, doing exercising, eating healthy. Usually we feel like if इस सिचुएशन से ओवरकम करने के लिए अल्कोहल और टेकिंग कॉफ़ी और टी और निकोटीन will help us. That means smoking. But I'm sorry, it doesn't help us, doing that. Only things that which help us is meditation, staying away from all this alcohol or caffeine or nicotine, eating healthy, good fruit diet, eating natural and organic things. Now I'm going to pick up PTSD. PTSD means post traumatic stress disorder. And why I'm picking up this here, because you will relate it very well with your current situation, which is the corona situation right now going on. And there are natural calamities has also happened around us, and lot of people exposed to such situation. यूजुअली ये सिचुएशन के में डेवलप होता है एंड इट इज़ लॉन्ग लास्टिंग, यानी सिचुएशन होने के बाद भी ये हमारे साथ एक्सपीरियंस में हो सकता है. इसमें हमारी कोपिंग कैपेसिटीज में हमारी सिचुएशन जो है वो एक्सीड कर जाती है एंड आर कोपिंग कैपेसिटीज दे फॉल ऑफ, सो वी बिकम वल्नरेबल टू PTSD. ये इवेंट के बाद भी होती रहती है. इसमें कई बार फ्लैशबैक्स आते रहते हैं, मेमोरीज आ सकती हैं, और जो एक्सपीरियंस है बार बार आप उसको एक्सपीरियंस तो नहीं कर रहे हैं बट आप उसको इमोशनली बहुत बार एक्सपीरियंस करने लग जाते हैं. बहुत इमोशनल रिएक्शंस होते हैं एंड एक्सेसिवली अराउजल मीन्स यू आर नॉट इवन एबल टू सिट और यू आर नॉट इवन एबल टू स्लीप. ये एक ऐसा इमोशनल अराउजल हो सकता है आपके साथ एक्सपीरियंस. Difficulty in memory and concentration. You are not able to focus on what you are doing right now, though the situation has passed, it's been months, but still you are not able to focus. Impulsive outbreaks हो सकते हैं. Suddenly there can be something triggered which can lead to sudden outbreak, and that could be impulsive and very emotional and displayed even after event. So बहुत event के होने के बाद भी. So for example, in the dire situation, if somebody has faced some calamity or the corona situation, that person might feel these symptoms, and that person will have panic anxiety attacks basically. Time to time जिसमें से flashbacks, memory आ सकती है. Again, no control over their physiological changes that is happening at the moment, and they'll feel restless. You can obviously wait for the attack to pass. Then there are treatments. Consult with the medical professional for help, and at the moment you can help them by mindfulness practices, which I will be sharing in my next video. Stay tuned with us. Thank you so much everyone.